Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ade khona ama-PSL award ceremonies lapho khona sibone abadlali abebedlala kahle kule season esiphuma kuyona benikezwa ama-award be-awadwa ngokudlala kahle kwabo. So lana ngizonikhombisa abadlali abawinile kulama award ade yenziwa namhlanje. Award yokuqala siyibonile namhlanje sibone i-MTN 8 last man standing lapho khona sibone uMfukeng eyiwina le award le. Mfukeng bafethu, he was one of the best players be-Orlando Pirates ababedlala kwi-MTN 8 last season. Sambona even ekora igoli lokuwinisa i-Orlando Pirates bedlala neStellenbosch kwi-final bewina u-3-1. Umjidi beyideserve impela le award le. Mase kuthiwa i-DStv Diski Challenge top goal scorer uSiphamandla Msezane odlalela i-Orlando Pirates. Umjidi bedlalela i-DDC Orlando Pirates, he got the award yokuba i-top goal scorer. Player of the tournament i-Nedbank Cup kuba uPule Modi odlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Mase kuthiwa i-Nedbank Cup most promising player we-Nedbank Cup uMbekezeli Mbokazi. Mbokazi bafethu is one of those players Orlando Pirates ebaproducile kule season esiphuma kuyona. Yabo the best talent ekhona locally nje is one of the best defenders akhona. Yabo the youngest, actually not the best defenders but the young defenders. Uyena umjida odlale kakhulu uyitholile ke le award le. Mayesiza we-calling knockout player of the tournament sibone u-Elvis Chipezeze weMagesi FC. Sambona evimbela iMagesi lapha bedlala neMamelodi Sundowns kwi-final. Bashaya iMamelodi Sundowns ngo-2-1. iSundowns yadliwa kwi-final, idliwa iMagesi. Elvis Chipezeze was responsible for that win yeMagesi. Mase siya kuMotsepe Foundation goalkeeper of the season lapho khona sibone ugoalkeeper ovimbele iDurban City uDumisani Msibi actually ethola le award leyo kuba ugoalkeeper of the season. I hope ukuzofika kwi-Pretoria Premiership enze kahle. Kwenye ama-award bafethu Motsepe Foundation Championship Young Player of the Season bafethu lo mjida lo odlalela iKaizer Stars uTebogo Lekhatla. Sisakuyona nje iMotsepe Foundation top goal scorer Umuzo Muhle Khanya usathanda kusayinwa ke iStellenbosch. iStellenbosch thola istrikers angempela labafethu. Umjido uyakora impela amagoli la bephuma khona kwi-Hungry Lions. Uyena othola i-award yokuba i-top goal scorer, uthola i-golden boot. Mase siza ko-ref, assistant ref wakwi-PSL bafethu uGara Mokoena. Mase sithi u-ref of the season, u-ref of the season uMasixole Bambiso. Mayesiza ku-DStv Diski Challenge player of the season uTylon Smith. Uyadeserve mfana mfethu, umjida udlale kahle kakhulu kule season, uyadeserve ukuba i-player of the season yaku-DStv Diski Challenge. Usedlala le England right now nje, wasikhuluma nje umjida udlala kwi-QPR kwi-England. Sesingena nje kwi-Pretoria Premiership. Pretoria Premiership, congratulations to uSipho Chain. uSipho Chain bafethu umjida uyi-goalkeeper of the season. Goalkeeper of the season, he was nominated with Abo Chipezeze and Williams. Umjida uyena obe u-goalkeeper of the season. Uhlulu Williams no Chipezeze ungangitshela ama-comments uzizwa kanjani, but ke ayiso abantu abaningi abekho hip. For me umjida uyadeserve ukuba i-goalkeeper of the season. Kwenye ama-nominees ade khona namhlanje bafethu uNkosinathi Sibisi. uNkosinathi Sibisi is the defender of the season. Umjida uyitholile i-award yokuba i-defender of the season. Ngakhuluma uNkosinathi Sibisi uthi umjida uyayideserve le award le. Naku-ke ngempela seyithola umjida, he is the defender of the season yakwi-Pretoria Premiership. Mase siza kwi-young player of the season yakwi-Pretoria Premiership, Mfukeng. Relebohile Mfukeng uyitholile bafethu i-award yokuba i-young player of the season. If I'm not mistaken, nala season wayithola le award le. Yabo uyaqhubeka manje usazoyithola umjida. Ubeyideserve impela mfethu kule season lesiphuma kuyona. Ayikho young player befika kwi-level yaMfukeng, indlela abedlala ngakhona ubeyideserve umjida ukuthi ayithole le award. Mayesiza eswini it's a another trick bafethu. It's a tricky award le angifuna manga. Makhehleni Makhawule, Tebogo Mokoena, Marcelo Allende, those were the guys who were nominated for this award. But again, we saw Makhehleni Makhawule win. I'm not saying he didn't deserve it. The guy was very, very good for Orlando Pirates. The age yakhe iyona emenze abe stand out to other nominees abe nominated now. Indlela bedlala ngakhona, he played 2 times better than those guys. And look at his age. Yabo, so umjida beyideserve impela bafethu i-midfield of the season. Asiza kwi-goal of the season, igoli la Lucas Ribeiro when they played against the Orlando Pirates. Igoli lakhe elihle bafethu esuka kwi-center half eyale eyokora kuSipho Chain kuze kushibilika uXoki, angazi ukwenze njani. Asiza kwi-golden boot, i-golden boot bafethu uLucas Ribeiro uyena otholile i-golden boot yakwi-Pretoria Premiership. Mase siza kwi-Betway's Premiership player of the season. Pretoria Premiership player of the season Lucas Ribeiro uyitholile leyo award bafethu. So abantu abaningi yes bebezosho ukuthi umfukeng, but ke it seems like abadlali they voted for Lucas Ribeiro to get this award. It's a players player of the season, so it means the players voted for Lucas Ribeiro. Mase kuthi coach of the season. Coach of the season was won by Miguel Cardoso. Nothing new there. We all knew ukuthi Miguel Cardoso will get this award because umchita won i-league with Mamelodi Sundowns, yabo. Mase siza kwi-footballer of the season. Footballer of the season, I was not shocked. I was not shocked ukuthi umchita uzoyithola i-award yokuba i-footballer of the season. So Lucas Ribeiro bafethu umchita uyitholile i-award yokuba i-footballer of the season. So the summary of these awards, ngasho ukuthi Orlando Pirates dominated, but get the most important awards atholwe Mamelodi Sundowns. Actually atholwe Lucas Ribeiro because it is the only player osuka kwi-Sundowns othole ama-award. Yabo, he bagged ama-award awu-3. Goal of the season, mase kuba i-players player, mase kuba i-footballer of the season. Bayikhiphile ke i-panel yamajaji ade jaja regarding lama award atholakala namhlanje. Mesiqala nje kwi-panel yokuqala, goalkeeper of the season simbonile uWilliam Shongwe, simbonile uThabo Khofa we-SADFM, uVuyo Macoba we-Newsroom Africa, uSiyabonga Nkosi we-SuperSport, mase kuba uBrighton Mhlongo we-ETV. Mase siza kwi-defender of the season, simbonile uBongani Khumalo oqhamuka kwi-SuperSport, Nolwazi Maco oqhamuka kuKhozi FM, Nkareng Manje oqhamuka kwi-Sowetan, Senzo Makhela oqhamuka kwiLanga, mase kuMatthew Boot oqhamuka kwi-SuperSport. Mase siza kuMotsepe Foundation Championship, mfana futhi Ilanga uyena ube ilunga lamajaji abevota lapha. Lucky Mhlathe oqhamuka kwi-SuperSport, Mthaleng Modiko oqhamuka kwi-SuperSport, Natiel Kepiane oqhamuka kwi-Thobela FM, Jabulani Dlamini oqhamuka ku-Imbokodo FM. Mase siza kwi-panel yamajaji adivota kwi-MTN, uBBK Rogers oqhamuka kwi-Sunday Times, Xolizondo oqhamuka kwi-SABC, Rob Delport oqhamuka kwi-Diski Time, Zakhele Xaba oqhamuka kwi-Solezwe, Simtho Dladla kwi-Gagasi FC.